by Danao. And pass to Tangonan. Crossover.
It stops Bates.
Wires off the window. Bagay for to Tangonan. Here's Kabang.
Drives straight
To the basket. Oh! Guard for two. And dribbling the ball.
in the dog.
Flips, spins, pull up game. Bagay is good. Ang pinabitin. Pass onside. Abya pinabitin pa. Hello mga idol. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Cagayan Intertown 2024 Apong League para sa laban ng Bagao at Gataran. And shoutout po kay Captain Nides Headwear para sa mahilig sa caps. Sulit at legit. Nasa comment section lang yung link mga idol. Order na kayo. And here you, Paguyos Linda. It's yes. And here's still Gataran. Rocky loses the ball. Sucks out, kicks out. Tangonan drive. Left-handed lace. First score Gataran, 1 point. And here's Tangonan, almost loses the ball, recovered, pass to Ruiz. Ruiz here, setting the play. The cross pass, nakuha ni Ruiz. And dribbling the ball. And a drive, steps, spins, pull up K. Bagay is good. Kabang dito ibababa ang bola. Dribbling the ball between the legs. Corner pass, pass to the middle, the deliver, and the finish goes in. And here's Kabang. Drives straight to the basket. Oh! Guard for two. And here's Tangona. Nagmamazumigzag. Bumangga. Fakes class. Pass on the inside. Pinabitin. Almasan. Fakes. Kabang. Spins. Nakalusot. No good. Javier Derob. And here's Roque. Let's go. Binit. Ang ganda naman. Pili pa si Idol. The bounce pass. Kabang. Pass to number 77, Javier. Javier natapikan, naagaw. Na-pass break, sakto yung pasa. Face, uy, take, good. Good back, uy. And here's Javier, sumigsat. Fires off the glass and 2 for. And here's Tangonan. Pass on the inside. No look pass, takes touch. Basket and 1 and traveling. And here's Javier, the small Javier. Corner pass, fakes, Adrax. Pinabitin, pass onside. Javier pinabitin pa. And here's Ruiz, Tangonan. Drive, side step pass on the inside. Over. Baseball pass, now na Javier. Oh, ang layo ng akbang nun. Easy batters, Tangonan. Setting the play. Tangonan. Drives, corner pass. Pumasinta sa tres. Bang! Nothing but net. And Team Bagao up by 1. Here you go. Bounce pass. Tangonan passing sa... Oh! Pinabitin natin. And that's Javier. Corner pass, fakes, number 13. Pass to Javier. Corner pass, Javier. Pull up J corner. Bucket is good. And there's Raveno. Pass to Fakes. Tangonan spins. Kaong pinaipit yung pass sa Fakes clutch. Wala. No good. And here's Team Bagao. Corner pass. De Los Santos. Bumangga. Fires off the glass. Inbound here for Team Bagao. Looking for the saver. Javier. Corner, pull up, get the corner, rebound, put back, oh, that's the man. Anabelo, Danao, side step lace, oh, bucket for 2, Danao. Well, pass it to Javier stop, pass on the inside, and a dribble, loses the ball, and dives for the ball here, and saves, and goes out of bounds. Here you go, Team Bagao for the receive, and spins, pass to Javier, they're pinabitin pa, and won't go. Rebound by Ravelo, and a hook pass here, and he's still recovered by Javier, and 2 bucket for the Team Gataran. The crossover move by Los Baños. And Bagao, and here's Xavier here. And a long pass here. Papaguyo, easy pass. The discard and setting the play. And bounce pass to the middle and bounce pass back. Ball is stolen by Paguyo. And a bounce pass. And here's Manuel. Paguyo drives, lays, won't go. Rebound, kicks out. Launches on 3 off the target. And the rebound pass on the inside. And what a good pass on the... And ball is stolen by Manuel. Passes to lost and recovered by number 28. Pass to the middle. Drives, Kumal Douglas. And basket and one. And Sumud. And the rebound by Tangonan. Off of the window and a bagger for Kabang. Dribbling the ball between the legs. Dribble. Corner pass. Drives. Off the window and bounce pass. Drives. Bumangga. Sinagasa. Wala. And a rebound for Team Bagao. De Los Santos losses, recover, fakes, forward pass. Ramos, pinilit. Oh, difficult. Danao. And pass to Tangonan. Crossover. Stops, fakes. Fires off the window. Bagay for to Tangon. And here's Butakan. Butakan. Corner pass. Launches on 3. Bang! For Team Gataran. Drives, sidestep, pinilit, kicks out, fires on 3, bang! Javier! 4, nagawan, Javier again, crossover, Javier, stop, fires on 3 again, bang! Back to back! And Nagkawili for crosses the mid lane, at the mid of the court, to Lara. Lara holds the ball. She dribbles. Stop. Corner pass. Picks. Agkawili. Pass. Bucket is good. Lara at the middle of the court. Lara almost lost. Lara looking for receiver. Oledan. Oledan to Agkawili. Stop. Pull up J. No good. Rebound here. Bumalik. Pinabitin. Wala. And Los Baños. Pass to Agkawili, hook shot, pasok yan, Agkawili. And Butakan to Kabang, Butakan, Kabang, pass back, to cross pass, corner, pass on the inside, pull up yan, pasok, pasak yan. Agkawili, alley-oop pass inside, De Los Santos, wala, rebound fakes, clutch pass, De Los Santos or 2. Na ball possession for Team Bagao. De Los Santos to Javier. Javier to Miguel. Side step, lays, easy bucket. Javier. End of the De Los Santos for the backdoor rebound. Manuel here na libre. The easy bucket. Perfect execute. And here's Agkawili. Roque. Sumix. Legs. Reverse layup. No good. Rebound. Los Baños. Bucket for 2. And Manuel crosses the mid lane. Pass de Los Santos. Javier dito. Di distansya umatake. Corner pass. Fires on Rizzo. Palang inabot. Oops. Pinasan. Side step. Reverse layup. Basket and 1. De Los Santos. Manuel. Pass to De Los Santos. Open for 3. Bang! Pass on the inside. Nagkatapikan. Manuel. Behind the back dribble. Matapikan. Na-recover. De Los Santos. Pass on the inside. Fakes. Paguyo of the window. Rebound still. Put back shot. Paguyo is strong move. Francisco to De Los Santos. Holds the ball. Pass to the middle. And Francisco holds the ball. And bounce pass. Paguyo. Plays. Bucket is good. Donato. Pass to Revalo. Pass to Agkawili for 3. No good. Battle for the rebound. And a pass break. Javier. Side step play. Sinausaw. And Donato stop. Long to Manny. Donat. And Agkawili here at the middle. Passes. Launches of 3. Bang! And De Los Santos. Pass on the inside. And here's Donato, long pass. Naunat Kawili off the glass, bucket for 2. At kakaldag dito, fades away. Good. Rebound dito. Tangonan, and a fast break. Ravelo. Lays. Oh. And here's Kabang. No look pass, fakes, clutch, fire of the glass, no good. And here's the backdoor inbound looking for receiver, corner pass, flakes. And here's Kabang, pass on the inside, fires off the window, bucket is good. Willie holds the ball. Willie. Pass on the inside, it's kicks out. Donato, pass on side, pinabitin ni Los Baños. And here's Butakan, corner pass, Kabang fakes, step back, carry, no good. And the long pass, eksakto, nakuha, dalawa itong isa. Dumistansya, step back for 3, bang! Javier. Natapikan, nakagawan. And this Donato, pass inside, saktong-sakto, Los Baños. And here's Butakan, Javier. Drives, pass to the middle, free throw area, bucket is Willie setting the plate, tinatapik yung ulo, fires on 3, Ruiz no good, natip in, and it's in and out. And there's Butakan, pass to Kabang, Butakan, and Paguyo pass to Kabang, na-recover, oops, Paguyo fires off the glass, Paguyo. Javier, tuloy-tuloy, uy! Ang layo ng take-off ni Idol. And his seconds, long 3. And inbound. Pass to, behind the back pass, fast water, Paguyo. Tangonan, dumidistansya. Tangonan. For 3, bang! And Tangonan for the setting the play. Tangonan. Pass to Roque. Cross pass for 3. No good. And ball possession here, Bagao. And here's Javier. Pass on the inside. Pass to Pagoya. And right man is bagged for 2. And Tangonan nagmamadali, tuloy-tuloy, lays, bucket, and a blocking back. And Kabang, drive out to the middle, ball is stolen, Ruiz, pass break, Tangonan, kids, flats, goes hoop. And here's Javier, crossover, pass corner, fires to Palpal, one more fix, pinilit, difficult shot, wala, nagawan.
Number 4.
Fix corner. Inside pass. Follow. Kabang for 2. Basket and 1. Tangonan. Butakan. Drives on the middle. Follow. Pass and a finish. Right. Please. That's Los Baños. Los Santos. And there's Los Baños. Crossover. De Los Santos. Stolen by Los Baños. Pass inside, extra pass, fires off the glass, Danao. Esto Ramos, Manuel, to the middle, Javier. And Los Santos. Manuel, inside pass, good. And all alone, Ruiz. Easy bucket. Manuel, nabitawan. And Los Baños, binit-bit, lays, no good. Kicks, clutch, fires off the glass. Bucket is good. Donato, Ruiz. Cross pass, Ruiz. Corner. Ruiz for 3. Wala. Kabang. End of the game. Congratulations, Team Macau.